The Rao-Blackwell Theorem. How can we make the best possible predictions using data? The Rao-Blackwell Theorem is a key result in probability that helps us refine our estimates, making them more precise. In this video, we'll explore what this theorem says, why it's important, and the incredible mathematicians behind it, C.R. Rao and David Blackwell. What is the Rao-Blackwell Theorem? The Rao-Blackwell Theorem helps us make better predictions by using statistical information. Imagine you're rolling a 6-sided die and want to estimate the average outcome. If you see just one roll, your best guess is the number you rolled. But is that the best method? The Rao-Blackwell Theorem tells us that if we have an estimator, our best guess, we can improve it by using additional information, like a sufficient statistic. An adequate statistic captures all the important information from the data, helping us make better predictions.
Let's take an example. Let's say you roll 3 dice and you want to estimate the average roll. One option is to just take one of the rolls as your guess. However, a smarter approach is to use the sum of all 3 rolls and then divide by 3. By using the sum as a sufficient statistic, we get a more accurate estimate. This is exactly what the Rao-Blackwell Theorem does. It refines estimates using the best possible information. Theorem. The Rao-Blackwell Theorem is x prime equals the probability of x given t of x. X would be your initial estimator, as x prime would be the improved estimation, with t of x being the sufficient data. The probability of x given t of x represents the expected value or average of the estimator x when considering the information provided by the statistic t of x. This is the conditional expectation of x given t of x. Who is David Blackwell? Blackwell was born into a lower middle class family and attended an integrated school at a time when racism was prevalent. As Blackwell reached high school, although adept in math, he was uninterested in most topics like trigonometry and algebra. However, Blackwell found geometry incredibly fascinating, saying later on, geometry connected with activity and motion. At the age of 16, Blackwell pursued a mathematical degree at the University of Illinois, where he earned a PhD at the age of 22. Who is C.R. Rao? C.R. Rao, or Kalyapuri Radhakrishnan Rao, was born in Hanagali, India on September 10th of 1920. He received a Master's of Science degree in Mathematics from Andhra University in 1940, and then a Master's of Science degree in Statistics from Calcutta University in 1943. In 1944, Rao joined the Indian Statistical Institute as a statistician. How was the Rao-Blackwell Theorem created? Development of the Rao-Blackwell Theorem. In 1945, Rao introduced the concept of improving an initial estimator by utilizing conditional expectation based on sufficient statistics. Then, in 1947, Blackwell independently developed a similar approach, focusing on conditional expectations and the role of statistical estimation. His work complemented Rao's findings and contributed to a broader understanding of estimator improvement. Then, in 1950, statisticians combined similar principles and ideas into the Rao-Blackwell Theorem.